Welcome to the final part of our series on essential words for asking for directions. Throughout parts 1 to 4, we discovered essential vocabulary and skills for navigating in English. Now, let's review and put your knowledge into practice. I'm Mina, and in this video we'll put everything we learned in the previous 4 videos into practice, creating 3 imaginary situations between a local and a tourist. I'm sure by the end of this video you'll feel more confident in your next conversation about asking directions in English. Let's make what we are gonna do clear. It's so simple. Imagine you're exploring a new city and you need to find a popular tourist attraction. Approach a local pedestrian, who is me, and politely ask for directions using the words you've already learned. What you need to say will appear on the screen. Try to say it out loud. Let's start with the first situation. You're asking for directions to the museum. Go on. Certainly, the museum is a short walk from here. Go down this street for 2 blocks, turn left at the intersection. You'll see the museum on your right, across from the park. It's time to say thank you. Great! Did you understand the directions? We just used the vocabularies you learned in the previous lessons. Let's continue to situation 2. Ready? Go. In this situation, you're at a train station and you want to find the restroom. It's just around the corner, next to the ticket counter. You may say, and leave. So easy. It's all about knowing the essential vocabularies. This time, you're looking for a vegetarian restaurant in a foreign country. Go for it. Of course, there's a great vegetarian restaurant down this street, across from the museum. It's about 5 minutes from here. Being polite is always important. Continue and say, great! Now you can navigate confidently in English. I just changed my mind and I want to add another situation to this lesson. This time you're driving. Let's do it together. Yes, you can take the next exit and follow the signs for the route. It will take you around the detour and back onto the highway. And a polite person always says, congratulations! You can ask for directions and understand responses perfectly. Keep practicing. Replay this video and try each situation vice versa. Can you give directions as well as understanding them? You can practice more by creating such imaginary situations with your English learning partner or yourself. If you need some techniques on how to study English more effectively, watch one of these videos here. I'll be back soon with more intriguing lessons. Stay subscribed. See you soon.